Hey guys, today I just want to give you update on what I will be doing for 20 subscribers. Not yet, I just need 2 more subscribers and then we have 20. But the thing I am doing only for people who are in my class at school, so sorry about that, people who are not in my class, but I will be giving away this thing, Squishy. I know it's very cute. But I will be giving away this thing. It's squishable. It is very squishable. But yeah, that will be given away only for class people, or school people, I don't know. But yeah, this thing, so. And also, if you want this, you will have to subscribe just down there, I think, somewhere around here, and press that little like button somewhere around here, I don't know, and comment below if you something and draw me and better be good and give me that, and then comment below that you subscribed, press that like button, and that you draw dreams, so it better be good though, or I won't give you this, so it better look like this. Okay, goodbye people.